Good day, Mrs. Arlene Kaluoy. My name is Irish Faith Argalis from BSED Science 1. So, the preschool that I have chosen to be under my observation are Canulen Elementary School and Tawed Elementary School. Focusing on their physical development and cognitive development, the children are well developed by their physical appearance. As you can see in the video, all of them are active and in a good health. In their cognitive development, makita gyud na to nga ang mga estudyante well developed na kay ngano. Sa ilang pagkaedad, hibaw na sila mosulbad og simple nga problem. Since we all know that kinder students are not like mentally developed kay diba simple pa man jud na sila mag-start. So by basing on just shape, hibaw na sila unsaon. Hibaw na sila unsay differences sa shape. How come if they are fully developed and moving on to numbers? So in terms of their social development and emotional development, we can see that kinder students, dali ra gyud sila maka-feel og lingaw, dali ra sila maka-feel og kabibo. By basing on their behaviors, kinder children are more on fun things, fun games. As you can see in the video, Teacher Melanie, ijahadong gi-focus ang participation sa estudyante, even games, mga simple games lang good para ma-enjoy sila. Kaya ang children or ang kinder children, mas gusto sila og malingaw sila. Di lang kay mo-focus lang ta sa unsa mibuan nila, kay bata pa mo sila, di pa na sila maka-catch up og daghang knowledge. Although they kanang may nahinayan nila og learn ilahang mga makuha sa lessons, pero kung imuha dyung gusto i-develop ang bata, mas better kung ma-develop si Jaka ng fun things first before usa ng mga lisod-lisod sa life. In reflecting of my observation to Calpe, makita gyud nato og unsay ato ang connection as a teacher to the children of how to handle things in this kind of situations. Kung unsa man nato paglingaw sa mga bata, bisan pa og di man gani sila para sa uban nga dali pa maka-catch up, ug unsa nato pag-handle ilahang way of kanang pagpakita sa pag-express silang kagalingon, di lang kay puro unsay mga dapat nagawan, kundi puro sa ilahang makalingaw by just basing not just their knowledge but also their behavior. So the things I could suggest ng activities is siguro kanang mga things nga maka-participate and maka-collaborate or maka-develop sa skills sa mga children samtang bata pa. Mas better nang daghan na silang naibawaan. Simple things like games, daghan na silang naibawaan samtang sayo pa kay the more they grow, the more they learn.